Let's take a break from all the crypto news going on in the space and really discuss how you can position yourself for success going forward. I still believe that we haven't seen the major bull run yet, so I'm gonna go over some tips and tricks on how to survive in this market and how to maximize profit. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Compass, your guide to everything crypto. Today we're gonna deep dive into the crypto market, and if I were to start today, I'm gonna show you exactly what I would do. First of all, you need to know what you're investing in. There are so many asset classes within crypto. Very similar to how the stock market has different sectors like automotive, industrial, and tech. Crypto also has that with things like oracles, DeFi, layer 1s and layer 2s, and it's up to you and your own research to decide where the attention is and what coins are going to pump. I'm sure you've heard about the community aspect in crypto. If you have a strong community and you have a good backing, then enough attention will come to that coin. And honestly, that's what most of these meme coins are. That's why you will see people calling coins a CTO, which stands for community takeover. And all that means is that the original creator of the coin is no longer there, and the community is gonna pick it up and send it higher. And the same can go for these bigger cap coins that are not meme coins that provide actual utility. It's all about what the latest trend is. For example, we've seen these AI coins trending and moving up, and that's because AI is a very hot topic and it's the future of our technology. And if you mix AI with crypto, then you get the best of both worlds. Now, aside from the fundamental analysis and understanding the trends, you also have to look at the technical. You don't necessarily have to know these intense chart patterns or look at these indicators, but you have to understand when a chart is bottomed out and when a chart is topped out. The most common saying is to buy low and sell high. But the issue with this is that people tend to buy too early and they don't sell when it goes up because they get greedy. And greed is something you don't want in this market. It's always better to take your profit no matter how large or small it may be. At the end of the day, you want to protect your capital and live to fight another day. And of course, no one's gonna time the exact bottom and the exact top, but as long as you get around those ranges and sell for profit, then that is a win. And I would urge you all to do your own research and not to blindly follow some influencer or even me. It's all about conviction, and if you have conviction, then the price doesn't matter because you know it's eventually gonna go up. So as long as you have a game plan, then you know when to buy and when to exit, and also how much capital to use when doing so. We all know crypto is super volatile, and it can get even more volatile when you get into intense trading like leverage. Starting off in the market, I would not recommend leverage trading, and if you do, I would do it with very small capital, because essentially you're leverage trading leverage itself, because crypto goes up and down at rapid rates. It truly takes time to become a good trader and have a feel for the market, and it's all about experience. And a good way to start in the market is paper trading, which is the concept of noting down your trades and looking at the potential profit or loss without actually putting any money in. All you're doing is practice trading and looking at the potential gain or loss that you may get. And this is a great way to start off because you don't need to risk any capital. Now, another thing to highlight is diversification. You never want to go all in on one coin in your portfolio, but of course there are exceptions to this. I would say it's okay to full port Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink, and that's because they are so essential to the crypto space that they are the leaders, and without them, I would say crypto would not succeed. So if you believe in crypto overall, then you must believe in these three coins. So when looking at your portfolio, you want to divide it equally within different sectors. For example, maybe you put 25% in AI and you put another 25% in DeFi, and then you take the remaining 50% and you split it up between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Link. And of course, this is just one example. You can split it up any way that you want, and this is more mid to long-term investing. But if you're looking at short-term trading, then I recommend even more safe safe practices. And you have to be super quick in either cutting your losses or taking your profit, because you can get wiped out easily. The worst feeling is buying a coin and having it dump 60 to 70% and then you selling it and watching it run up a 5 to 10x. So that's where patience comes in. You always want to wait for a good entry and never get any FOMO and jump in a coin too early. I'm going to be honest, I have been a victim of this many times before, but I've learned through my experience to become better at it. Start with something like $100 or whatever your risk would be, and then try to build that portfolio up. And I would say Solana is a great place to start because a lot of the meme coins are there. So if that's what you want to do, go ahead and download a Phantom wallet, and you can do this on your computer or also on your phone. And as soon as you download it and create a new wallet, you get a recovery phrase. Make sure you keep this safe. Those are your keys to your wallet. So as long as you have access to it, you have access to your wallet. But if someone else gets their hands on it, then they can access it too. And after downloading the wallet, you can use a website called Dex Tools. And on this website, you can see any coin created on chain. And that goes for any network. But in this case, we're focused on Solana. And after that, you need to find an exchange. In this case, a decentralized exchange. And on Solana, the most popular one is either Radium or Jupiter. So you need to find the contract address of the coin you're interested off of Dex Tools and copy it into the exchange. And then all you do is swap your Solana into this coin. And you can do the same when swapping back from this coin back into Solana with your potential profit. So this is a good way to get into trading and get your feet wet in the market. And I would say right now is a great time to do that because the market is getting ready to heat up. We have had a very slow summer, but we're just around the corner of another altcoin season. And if you're confused about this trading and how to set up a Solana wallet or how to set up any wallet, then you can reach out to me and I can get you set up in my coaching program. We can sit down one-on-one and I can break down all of these plays, all of these tactics, and how to stay safe in the space. And if that's not enough and you need more help and you want these alpha plays, then you should join my Discord channel. I'm calling out plays on my channel all the time, and most of them are Solana plays, so you can get started by following the Discord channel and copying my trades. This would be a great way to get your feet wet and really understand the game of crypto, especially when it comes to meme coins and trading. And don't forget, I'm putting content out like this every single week, so if you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell button so you don't miss another one of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.